Hello cello players, this is a tutorial on a new song called May Song. I'll play the whole song first and then we'll learn the parts. Okay, so let's start with the beginning. We're going to change the rhythm a little bit. B, my echo, D, F sharp, A, go. Good, let's add a high D. Listen first. D, F sharp, A, D, 1, 2, ready, play. One more time, open D. Okay, let's make the rhythm sassy. Listen. Try that, ready, go. Again to open D, play. One more time, open D. Awesome, next part sounds like this. Listen again. B, D, B, A, try it, ready, play. Try it again. One more time. Back it up to the beginning, listen. Try that, ready, D. One more time, open D. Next part sounds like this. Okay, let's break that down. B, my echo. G, A, F sharp, D, try that, ready, go. Try it again, and ready, G. And E, D, go. Okay, try from here. G, A, F sharp, D, E, D, go. Try it again, said G, and ready, go. Okay, one more time for good luck. G, and ready, here we go now. Okay, let's start from the beginning. D, F, get ready, here we go. G. Try it again to open D and go. G. One more time, get ready, here we go. Fantastic. Next part sounds like this. Okay, so that part is the same, just repeats. Listen first, then echo me. A, G, G, F, ready, here we go. Okay, now we're going to add on to the ending. Listen first. A, G, G, F, A, F, E, try that, ready, go. So let's just try this. F, A, F, E, ready, F sharp, go. Try it again, F sharp. One more time. And leave that F sharp kind of hovering over the string. Okay, try it one more time. F, A, F, E, go. Okay, let's back it up to here. A, G, G, F, A, F, E, go. Try it again, 2 and A, go. Awesome, let's play that twice in a row. 1, 2, ready, here back to the beginning, which sounds like this. Okay, so let's review our beginning section. Be my echo. D, F, A, D, 1, 2, open D. Then B, D, B, A. G, A, F sharp, D. E, D. Let's try that ending. D, F, get ready, here we go. Okay, I think we are ready to play the entire song. Starting on open D. Here we go. 1 and 2 and whole song ready, go. A. Repeat. Ready, D. All right, kudos to you for trying this new song. It's a bit of a challenge, but I know you guys can all can do it. So, good luck practicing.